Hello 8th class. Today we will learn spinal cord from chapter 1 lecture 6. Clear? Well, we have it spinal cord. Spinal cord, when we talk about spinal cord, it is an extension of medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata. Clear? It is an extension of medulla oblongata. Clear? Well, we have a medulla oblongata. What medulla oblongata is? Because we are talking about the extension of medulla oblongata. What is medulla oblongata is actually? Medulla oblongata is the part of the hindbrain. Well, medulla oblongata forms the posterior part of the brain where it is connected with the spinal cord. It is actually the posterior part of the brain. Clear? Posterior part of the brain. Posterior part of the brain. Clear? Where it is connected with spinal cord. यहाँ से ये spinal cord के साथ connect करता है. Clear? बेटा हम बात कर रहे थे किसकी, spinal cord की, और spinal cord में हमने बात की किसकी, medulla oblongata की. Well, it runs backward inside the backbone up to its lower. Clear? It runs backwards inside the backbone up to its lower end. It runs backwards inside the backbone. Clear? Inside the backbone. Clear? Well, it also made up of interneurons. What interneuron is? What interneuron is actually? Interneuron act. There are three types of neurons. Well, from them there is one of the type of the interneuron, one of the type of the neurons, interneuron, which act as a bridge or as a connection between the motor neuron and sensory neuron. Clear? Well, spinal cord composed of many interneurons. Clear? Spinal cord creates a link between brain and different body parts. It actually creates a link between brain and several body parts. Clear? Brain and different or several body parts. Clear? Spinal cord creates a link between brain and different body parts. It also controls some reflex action. Well, it controls some reflex action. It also controls some reflex action. Reflex action means immediate or involuntary action. Clear? Reflex action means immediate or you can say involuntary actions. Involuntary actions that are not controlled are Well, the actions are not controlled by or not under the decision. Well, you can say involuntary action which are not controlled by a decision. Clear? We call involuntary actions. Thank you so much. This is all about the spinal cord.